Art is a struggle. There, video done. I like to show my improvements in the art stuff so that other beginners and improving amateurs like me can get a picture of what to expect when learning new things, art-related and whatnot. But I think I should have added something to those videos, and maybe the videos should be a bit longer, and that something is something I think some professional art YouTubers don't touch on too often. Struggle. Improvement and learning new things isn't so easy, especially in art. I think when it comes to art, well, let me first say that art is not necessarily easy. One factor could be muscle memory, because muscle memory develops over months and years of drawing or piano practice, practicing a skill in general, really. But let me quickly add that improvement and learning new things isn't hard in some cases. Talking from experience and my peers, drawing three-quarter portraits or drawing eyes is something people can learn pretty quickly and get the hang of. And I'm sure there are talented people out there that can learn things on the fly. But I struggle with forms and keeping anatomy proper plus dynamic poses, which is why I watch Mark Brunette, Ergo Josh, or Proco. Watch their video tutorials all the time, and they are awesome teachers. They do show you what to do and the directions to follow, but don't be fooled by how easy they make it look when they demonstrate this skill. It's a demonstration, just remember that. They're just demonstrating the techniques. But they're not really demonstrating the thing called struggle, though. Remember, they have been drawing and practicing these fundamentals for years or even decades. They are actual professionals, so they put in years and years of art to get into the art industries they wanted to get into. I bet these professionals didn't learn what they were teaching in a snap. They can draw the basics on the fly, probably because it's like muscle memory to them, like I said, after drawing for so many years. They say practice, 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 and they're right, practice is important, but it is also important to know that it is going to take a long time. Practice is not something you can do for 5 minutes and say, okay, I'm done. Or if you encounter difficulty, it seems easy to think that, I'm not doing too well, I can just skip this and go back to doodling, I'll just do it later. Because most of the time on your first shots, you're not going to make the bullseye. Just remember that. And the thing is, I am guilty of that practice for 5 minutes part. If you know me, I'm pretty impatient and I find myself trying to get instant results often. It takes confidence and willpower. Practice refines your skill and it cleans up that beginner anxiety, let me say. You can't just watch a how-to art video and master everything in its 10-minute runtime. I think what I'm trying to say is don't think that you're instantly going to become an expert after watching these videos. I did before, like I said, and it was incredibly demoralizing when I just encountered struggles / not getting it on the first try. The point is, don't beat yourself up for not making the first try. No matter how well these guys teach, these videos are not a magic wand to poof away your lack of skill. Thinking of yourself as flawless, no room for error, thinking your path is clean from difficulty is setting yourself up for failure. And it set me up for failure as well. So how do we counter the struggle or the grind, you may be asking? All the struggle talk may sound scary, but it could be because we are afraid of failure. It's natural, okay? I guess I was afraid of failure and I tried my best not to fail, but it turned into an unhealthy obsession over flawlessness. Maybe the way to succeed is to allow ourselves to fail, but try again. Fight that fear of failure. You and I need to allow ourselves to make mistakes, and we need to keep a positive attitude about it, okay? It's just a mistake. You didn't slam the wrong note in front of a concert audience. It is a mistake you only witnessed. What do? Just simply try again. Try again. Try again, try again, try again, try again, try again. Try everything, even though you could fail. This video is for whoever may be struggling with improvement and for me. I want this video to remind myself and others that we need to allow ourselves to make mistakes. If you want me to talk more about this or show you what I do to counter this struggle stuff, comment below or give the video a like. If you have any questions, ask them in the comment section below and I will answer with a reply. If you like this video, give it a like. Thanks for watching. If you want to see more videos like this, subscribe and stick around for more.